Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Free Fire on your Lenovo laptop or any Windows PC. First, open any web browser on your laptop and search for BlueStacks, or visit the official BlueStacks website. BlueStacks is an Android emulator that lets you run Android apps and games on your computer. This means you can play Free Fire on your laptop using your keyboard and mouse. Once you're on the BlueStacks website, click the Download BlueStacks button and wait for the installer to download. After the download is complete, open the installer from your Downloads folder. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes, then click Install. BlueStacks will download the required files and install automatically. This may take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, BlueStacks will open automatically. If it doesn't, simply launch it from your desktop or the Start menu. Now open the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. You'll need to sign in with your Google account before you can download apps. After signing in, click the search bar, type Free Fire, and press Enter. Select the official Free Fire game from the search results, then click Install. Wait for the game to finish downloading. Once it's installed, you can click Play or return to the BlueStacks home screen and launch Free Fire from there. Before you start playing, let's optimize BlueStacks for better performance. Click the Settings icon. If you don't know how many CPU cores your laptop has, minimize BlueStacks and open the Start menu. Search for System Information and open it. Find the Processor section to check your CPU details. Then go to the Performance section. Here, increase the CPU allocation, but don't set it to more than half of your processor's CPU cores. To get smoother gameplay, enable the High Frame Rate option and set it to 90 FPS. After that, go to the Graphics section. Change the graphics renderer to OpenGL. Click Save Changes again. Now you're ready to play. Launch Free Fire, sign in with your account, or choose Play as Guest, and enjoy the game on your laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.